Valentine's Day isn't just for couples. If you're single, there are plenty of fun ways to spend the day and treat yourself. Here are 10 fun ideas to enjoy your day. Treat yourself to a spa day. Relax with a face mask, a bubble bath, and your favorite music. Have a movie marathon. Pick your favorite films or watch all the romantic comedies that make you smile. Cook or bake something new. Try a new recipe or bake some cookies to enjoy all day long. Go out with friends. Grab your best friends and enjoy a fun dinner or hangout together. Take a walk in nature. Get outside and enjoy a peaceful walk in the park or around your neighborhood. Write a letter to your future self. Reflect on your goals and dreams, and write a letter to remind yourself of them. Treat yourself to a gift. Buy something small that makes you happy, like a new book or a cozy sweater. Learn something new. Take an online class or watch a tutorial on something you've always wanted to try. Volunteer and spread love. Help out at a local shelter or charity and make someone else's day better. Dance around your house. Turn up the music and dance like no one's watching. So, don't let being single stop you from having a great time on Valentine's Day. Enjoy the day and show yourself some love.